Hi everyone, welcome at the unboxing of the Marble and Florals box. This is the box for July. Let me show you everything that is inside. In this box are 4 paper sticker sheets, 4 clear sticker sheets, so 8 sticker sheets in total, 2 double-sided paper sheets, 2 washi tapes, 1 sticker storage, 1 sticky note, 2 adhesive pockets and 1 pen. Let me show you everything. This is the sticker storage. It is the main product of this box, and as you can see, this whole box is matching with the classic size planner cover that is already available in the web shop as individual item. Aren't they pretty together? I really like how this all is matching together. In the sticker storage are 20 sheets for stickers. These are A6 size sticker sheets, the same size as in the Planything boxes. Then we have the stickers. Some boxes, some long boxes with florals and the marble print. And I'm not sure if you can see it, but these are also box stickers. Let me show you. Isn't this cool? More marble box stickers. And then the clear stickers. These are some word stickers. Floral stickers. More floral stickers. And the last one. Then we're going to the sticky notes, also with marble print. Then the 2 washi tapes, one with floral and one with marble print. This is how they look like when they rolled out. Aren't they pretty? Then the 2 adhesive pockets. You can add your stickers in here or other papers or accessories, everything you like. You can stick them to your planner cover or planner page, wherever you want to add pockets to. Then of course the pen. It has rosé gold accents, it's black ink and a lot of pink gems. And as final, the double-sided paper sheets. These paper sheets have the size of the classic Happy Planner pages, so you can use them as dashboard or laminate them and use them even as cover. Aren't they pretty? So this is everything that is in this box. This box is available to order as subscription until the end of July or until it's sold out. It's also possible that a box sells out before the end of the month, like June. So this is everything, the Marble and Florals box, and this box matches with this beautiful classic cover. This cover is not part of this box but individually available for $25. Thank you for watching this unboxing. Bye!